po na siya.
Good morning. Thank you for calling Aegis Restaurant. This is Arjun Marian speaking. How may I assist you today?
Hi, I'd like to make a table reservation, please.
Of course, may I have the date and time you'd like to reserve a table?
I'd like to book a table on March 7 at 10 a.m.
Great. What time do you expect to arrive?
We'll arrive around 9 a.m.
Thank you. How many person will be dining with us?
It will be two person only.
Got it. May I have the name of the person who will be using the reservation?
Yes, it will be under the name of Joshua Magsayo and Arjeline Maranya.
And may I have the name of the person making this reservation?
Yes, my name is Joshua Magsayo.
Wonderful. May I have your contact number, sir?
Yes, my contact number is 0965-782-0721.
Thank you, sir. Joshua, let me repeat your reservation. Your date on reservation is March 7, time 10 a.m. Expected arrival time 9 a.m. Number of guests only 2 person. Reservation under Joshua Magsayo and Arjeline Marian. Reserved by Joshua Magsayo, and your contact number is 09-811-461743. Is everything correct, sir?
Yes, that's perfect.
Thank you, sir. Your table is reserved. We look forward serving you at Aegis Restaurant. Have a great day. Goodbye. Good evening, sir. Welcome to Aegis Restaurant, sir. Do you have some table reservation?
Yes.
Can I have your name, sir?
Yes, my name is Joshua Magsayo.
Okay, sir. Your name is in here. Please follow me, sir. We have some nice table to prepare to you, sir. Can I put the table napkin, sir?
Yes, of course.
Okay, sir. There will be a food attendant who will be taking your order, sir. Okay, sir. Good evening, sir. I am Arjun Marian, your food attendant. We have the pre-meal, sir. Can I get your order?
Give me one orange juice, please.
Okay, sir. That's the juice, sir.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. There's the food menu for your food selection. Excuse me, sir. Would you like some water?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, sir. We have some complimentary bread, sir. With what will you like? Balolong or pandesal?
Give me one pandesal, please.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Can I get your order?
Okay. For appetizer, I order 1 liver dumpling.
Okay, sir.
And the soup is for chicken soup. And for the salad is garden salad.
Okay.
the main course is beef kebab.
Okay, sir.
And for the dessert is the chocolate cake. And for the wine is the Primo Sparkling.
Okay,
That's
sir.
all.
Can you repeat your order, sir? For appetizer is liver dumpling, and for the soup is chicken soup, salad, garden salad, and the main dish is beef kebab, and dessert is chocolate cake, and the wine is Primus Sparkling.
Oh.
Is everything correct, sir?
Yes.
Sir, thank you. Excuse me, sir. I'm here to correct your tables, sir. Excuse me, sir. Here's your appetizer, sir.
Thank you.
Check for me. Can I get your soil plate, sir?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. Here's your soup, sir.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Can I get your soil plate?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, sir. Here's your salad.
Thank you.
Enjoy your meal. Excuse me, sir. Can I get your soil
Yes,
plate?
please.
Excuse me, sir. Here's your main dish.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Can I get your soil plate? Excuse me, sir. Here's your dessert.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Are you satisfied with the food, sir?
Yes, I'm very satisfied.
How about the service? Are you satisfied, sir?
Yes, I'm very satisfied too.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Can I get your spice plate?
Yes, of course.
Excuse me, sir. Are you done with your drink, sir? Can I get this? Excuse me, sir. Here's your wine glass, sir. Can I clean the table, sir?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. Here's the wine that you ordered, sir. Primus Sparkling, sir, is non-alcoholic and 750 ml and made in Spain. Can I pour the wine, sir?
Yes. A little bit.
Okay, sir. Is the taste okay, sir?
It's fine.
Can I put it again, sir?
No. It's that.
Okay, sir. Here's your bill, sir. Thank you, sir. I received 10K, sir, and I will back for the change, sir. Here's your change, sir, and your receipt.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you for coming at Aegis Restaurant, sir. We look forward to serving you at Aegis Restaurant, sir.
Thank you, and I will be coming back soon. Goodbye.